In previous class, Java topics, all topics are completed. Okay, core Java topics all are completed. So now we will discuss about Selenium. Okay, so what is Selenium? First means Selenium is automating the web applications. Okay, so Selenium is automating web applications, not Windows applications. So it is a functional testing tool, and it is a open source. Okay, it is available in various languages like Java, C Sharp, Ruby, Python. Okay, so it is used in various languages. Selenium in Java is a more popular due to platform independent and huge online communities there in the Selenium Java. Okay, so in that UFT is there. So UFT means Unified Functional Testing. It is a costly tool. It is developed by the HP company. But Selenium is what? Selenium is a free of cost. Okay, so we are using Selenium for a free of cost. So what are the Selenium components? There are four components. Okay, so Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Vite, Selenium IDE, and Selenium RC. These four are the, so now in these four we can use what? Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so automation purpose we can use Selenium WebDriver. So now we can use currently version is Selenium 4 plus version. Okay, who is developed the Selenium WebDriver? Simon Stewart. Okay, Simon Stewart developed by the Selenium WebDriver developed by the Simon Stewart. Okay, so what is Selenium WebDriver? So Selenium WebDriver means so Java coding library. So this is one these are called as a Java coding library. Okay, so Java coding library allows us to write the and allows us to update the code for dynamic websites and functional testing. Okay, so Java coding library allows us to write, okay, and allows us to update for dynamic websites in the functional testing is called as the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so Java coding library like Selenium is called as what? Jars here. Okay, so now World Wide Web 3, so W3C, W3C means World Wide Web Consortium. This is a protocol, is a set of standards that Selenium 4 uses to communicate with the browsers. Okay, it is a set of standards. Selenium 4 is used to communicate with the browsers is called as a W3C protocol. Okay, so Triple S is there. So what is Triple S? Selenium server standalone. Okay, Triple S is a Selenium server standalone. It is a convert to Java code into W3C protocol code. Okay. So next browser drivers is there, and it is a bridge that enables automation code and control and interact with the web browsers and making possible to automation tests and performing some web applications. Okay, so Maven is there. This is called Maven project. See this one. This is a Maven project. So my Maven project name is what? Org Selenium project for is my. So see here in that the option is there. So create, right click, and a new Maven is also available. This is called what? Maven project. Okay, so you can create one Maven project. Also, it is called file new. Okay, create Maven project also. Okay, in that project, so what is a Maven project? Actually, here one POM file is there. So one POM file means project object model file. Okay, this project object model is a XML document. Okay, this is a XML document. So defines how our code is we can build. Okay, so how our code will be built and what add additional dependencies it has to access and how tests are run. So we can see in that POM Excel file. So see here, if you open any projects, here we can available what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 projects is there. So I can open Selenium project 4. So in that project 4, it is contains one POM file or not? Yes. So this is a project object model file. So if you open this file, so in this file, there are so many dependencies are available. So in the what are the dependencies actually? So how our code will be built? Okay, how our code will be built and what additional dependencies we can add it in that and how tests are run here. So this is called as a POM file. So each POM file contains one group ID, one artifact ID, one version. Okay, so group ID, okay, and artifact ID and version is available in the okay dependencies. If you interview is asking some questions like this. So what is a group ID? What is artifact ID? Okay. So what is a version? So actually group ID is used for organization or company. So see this one. Group ID used for organization or company. So artifact ID is what? Artifact ID is a project name. Artifact ID is a project. My project name is what? Selenium Java. So if you use org4 now, that's why my artifact ID is org.selenium4. And version is what? My project version. This is my project version. Okay. So pom.xml contains group ID, artifact ID, and version. Okay. Group ID means project organization or company, and artifact ID means it is a project name. Artifact ID contains what? Project name, and the version contains project version. Recently used current version, that is called as the project version. Okay. So next. Okay. So next topic, see this topic. First of all, we can write one small code. Okay. You can see that one. I can write one small code. So it is executing or not. You can see that. So in that August, I can create one new class. Okay. So class without. Okay. So we can create one class. This one public admin. So first class is what I can write like test one is also available. So I can write test two. Okay. This is my class name. Okay. And click on finish. See this one. Class two will be displayed or not. So in that we can write what there are three types of browsers. So browsers is there. I can import the Selenium statements. Okay. So now I can write WebDriver. Okay. WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome drive. Okay. So WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. See here, it is asking import statements. If you hover cursor on this one, so it is asking import statements. Okay, you can click on that import. Selenium WebDriver imported. Same like that, Chrome driver also you can import it. Okay, so import Chrome driver. This is also possible. Okay, so why we can write this condition? So actually, this WebDriver is the interface. This is what Chrome driver is a child class. It is a child class constructor. So driver is a object and a new is a keyword we can use to create objects. So this is the definition of this one. Parent can hold the child class objects. Okay. So this is a parent can hold the child class object, that is called as the definition. So here in this one, interface can implement the, okay, in this, what is this one? Interface can implement the child class object, like what so WebDriver is an interface. See here, this is called what? WebDriver is an interface. So WebDriver, it contains what? Abstract class. Okay. So we will discuss this definition next class. So normal definition is what? Parent can hold the child class object. Okay. So parent can hold the child class object. See here and see this one. I can save the file and run it. So what is the output? Now we can check this one. Okay, it is loading. Okay, Chrome browser is launched or not? So Chrome is automatically controlled by the software tester. Okay, so Chrome browser is open. This is called as a, so first browser launching. This is what browser launching. And next, so if you use Chrome driver is open. If you use Firefox driver, Firefox will be open. If you use Edge driver will be open. Okay, so whatever choice is yours. So Chrome driver, Edge driver, or Firefox driver, that is your choice. Okay, so next, see this one. This WebDriver is what I can perform these actions. Okay, I can perform these actions. I can create another class. Okay, so my class name is, see this one. I can create another class. So my class name is Chrome driver. Okay, CHROME Chrome DRIV. Okay, I can write like this and save the public static argument string names and finish. Okay, new class will be opened up. So see this one, WebDriver is what? So actually WebDriver is the interface. So that's why I can write what? See this one. So interface, software. Interface. Interface is what? Interface is a WebDriver is a interface. WebDriver. Okay. So in that WebDriver interface contains three methods. So what? Void get to, void close, void get. Okay. Void get. I can write void get. Okay. And next what? Void quit. Okay. And next what? Void close. These are the three methods. Okay. So I can use these three methods. These three are what? Interface contains the abstract methods. Okay. Interface contains the abstract methods. There is no we cannot create objects for this abstract methods. So we cannot create objects for this abstract methods. That's why we can implement the WebDriver. So that's why Chrome driver implements. Okay. So Chrome driver implement what? WebDriver. Okay. Chrome driver implements. Okay, add unimplement. So okay. So Chrome driver implements WebDriver method. Okay. So in here we can insert what void get series one. So Chrome driver displays unimplement methods. So first we can implement the methods. Okay, we can write what void get. Okay, so void get series one. I can write the statement. This is a get method. System dot out dot printl and println. In that statement we can write what this is a get method or not. This is get method. I can write like this. So same methods we can write for okay, get, quit and close. quit and last one is what? close. Okay, this is what? This is a quit method and this is what? This is a close method. Okay, close close. See this one. Why it shows error? So why it shows error? So actually, see here. So if you use the interface, so we can, these are called as abstract methods. So interface abstract method, we can declare it as public in the child class. Okay, that's why here we can declare what? Public. So after you give the public, it will be accepted. See this one. So if you give public, okay, this what? The error will be gone or not? Yes, next public. Okay. So this is one error actually system not of the. Okay. So next in the main method we can write what? WebDriver. Okay. Sorry. WebDriver driver equal to okay new Chrome driver. Okay. So here implementation is completed or not? Okay. So next, see this one. Next, we can access those objects. We can access these by objects by calling the okay object name. See this one. What is my object name? Driver. So driver dot. We can get what? Get method. So that's why you can write get. Okay. Next. So driver dot. Next method is what? Quit method. So quit. Next driver dot close is there. Okay. So I can write close. See this one. So now save the file and run it. What is the output? So this one. So this is get method, this is quit method, this is close method. So three will be executed or not? So three will be executed. This is the we can write interface as a web driver, and these three are the abstract methods. There is no we cannot create objects for abstract methods. So that's why we can implement the child class. Okay, in that child class we can access those abstract methods. Okay, and declare it as public, and after that we can create objects and get that objects. Okay, in calling that objects, this is called as interface methods. Okay, are you understood this example? Okay, are you understood this example? Okay, so next previous one, see here, after a browser will be launched, next what? We can launching another browser window. Okay, so my browser window is what? Google.com I can launch it. So driver dot. So get command I can use. Okay. So in that get command, so it returns what? String URL. That's fine. So first go to Google and in that open this Google. Okay, google.co.in. So I can write like this. So Google opened or not? So I can copy this one. Okay. And paste into the code. See here. Paste into the code. Okay. So now save the file. Google will be opened or not? You can check this one. Okay. So Okay, browser launched. After launching browser, Google page will be open. Okay, this is control. So how you know this is controlled? See this one, this line. Control Chrome is controlled by the automation test and software. Okay, this is the our output. Okay, yeah, so interface methods also completed. So what is the definition of this one? So actually, see here, interface able to hold the interface is sees from interface. What is interface? WebDriver. So WebDriver interface implements to hold the child class object. Okay. So parent can hold the child class object. So WebDriver is a driver equal to new program. See this one. WebDriver is an interface. So WebDriver is an interface. It contains only abstract methods. Okay. So WebDriver is an interface. It contains only abstract methods without bodies. Okay. These three methods have without bodies. Okay. So without bodies. So next, Java, we cannot create objects for interfaces. So we are going to create one class. So my class name is what? Chrome driver. We are going to create one class and provide bodies to these interfaces. Okay. So we can provide bodies to the interface or not. Yes. Provide bodies to the interfaces. And class object, we can interface the methods and in the child class, Chrome driver, Firefox. So whatever it is, you can write in this. Okay. So what is driver dot get here? So to get the which type of string to get the get method is accepting URL type string. Okay. So get method is accepting URL type string or not. So how you know this is string? So within double quotes, we can write whatever it is that is called as a string. Okay. So next. So launching browser is also completed. Okay. Next, see one. Actually, there are two interfaces are there. Search contest is one interface, and next one is what WebDriver is also called as one interface. Search contest interface contains two methods. So what are the two methods? Find elements. Okay, and WebDriver has 11 methods without bodies. Okay, what are the 11 methods? Close to, quit to, switch to, get to, navigate to. Okay, sorry, navigate to, manage, get page source, get current URL, get window handles. Okay. Next, manage. These are comes under 11 methods that comes under WebDriver interfaces. Okay. So web element is also available. That is a web element is also a one interface. So those are 14 methods are there. So we can discuss in that methods in next class. Okay. So next. So actually remote WebDriver is also available. So actual remote WebDriver is a protected. So same like protected. So here it provides what bodies to methods. It provides bodies to methods for has its own methods also interfaces, but construct is also protected in the remote WebDriver class. Okay. See this one. One definition is there. So what is the definition? Class to class. Okay, we can implement class to class. In between class to class, we can use extends keyword. So interface to interface, we can use also extends keyword. But interface to class, we can use what? Implements keyword. See here. This is what interface. Okay, we can use what? Child class is that. So class to interface, we can use which keyword? Implements keyword. Okay. So next one. Get returns what? So actually get method returns one string or not. So this get method returns, okay, string type of a URL. This method returns what? String here. Okay, see this one. String. Okay, string URL. If you go over cursor on this get method, it shows you, okay, void returns nothing. So see this one, it string URL, it returns. Okay. So next, get title. Okay. So if you get the title of the page, so get the title of the page, get title is also returns what? String here. Okay. Get title is returns what? One string here. So that's why we can write what? See this one. See here. I can write driver dot. Okay. Get title. I can write driver dot get title. See this one. So get title returns what? Get title returns one string. Okay. That's why write one string string string. Okay. X equal to. So I can paste this one X. Okay. It is a displayed output. So that's why we can write what system.out.println statement. System.out.println println. So I can println what in that println statement I can print x is what? X is my variable name object. Okay. So save the file and run it. It gives the title of the page or not. So it is running. So Chrome will be open. After that, see this one. Google. This is the title of the page or not? See here. See this one. Google. This is the title of the page. This is the title of the page. Okay. So title of the page will be displayed or not? This is Google is the title of the page. Okay. So this will be displayed in the console. Okay. So get title method, it returns what string. So only get method returns what void. Void means nothing. That's why we cannot write anything to get method. So in that get method, it is accepting what string type of URL. That's why we can write the string type of URL in get method. Okay. So get title method, get title returns what? Get title is returning one string. So that's why we can create one string. So in that we can add one variable. So we can add that variable to okay variable, and after that we can print that variable. Okay. So if you get the title of this. So next. So actually manual testers are prepared test cases. Okay, based on what user stores. So automation testers are what collecting the manual test cases. So manual testers are creating test cases based on the user story, and automation testers are collecting the manual test cases. So automation testing means for what? So manual testers, automation testers are test cases from manual testing after taking off every sprint. Okay, after taking off what every sprint. So sprint means what? 2 weeks here. Okay, there is no automation here. Manual tests are prepare what? Test cases first sprint. So initial stage automation will be slow. So converting manual test cases into automation test cases by what tool here? Selenium tool. So that's why we can write this one. So manual test cases are converting to the automation test cases by using tool. So the tool name is what? Selenium Java. Okay. So launch the browser. We require the method what? Get method. Okay. So next. So first step one, launch browser is completed. Step two means what? Step two means launch the application. So launch browser is what is the launch browser? This is the launch browser is completed, and the launch application is also completed. Okay. So next, get the title of the page or not? So this one, get the title of the page is also completed. Okay. So here we can see one example. So same, we can apply this one. Yeah, we can apply this one. Get title string. What is my title name is what? Actual. So actually I can write, see here, I can write this name as okay actual title. I can write this name as actual title. Okay. And in that actual title, title of the page is what? Actual title. So I can write like this one. So title of the page. Okay. Title of the page. So here I can close. We can use concatenation operator here and ACT title. Okay. ACT sorry, spelling add, okay. Actual TITLE, actual title of, okay. So next, see here I can apply if condition here. If, okay, exp title dot, okay. So my expected title means what? See this one. My expected title is a string also. So string exp title. Expected title is IRCTC. I can use my title is Google, yeah. So I can write this. My title, my expected title is Google. So I can control this one. Okay, and paste it here or not. Okay, see this. This is my expected title is what? My expected title is Google. My actual title is what? Get title. So if expected title, this expected title is matched with this actual title. This expected title is matched with this actual title. The test case is what here? Pass. So that's why I can write expected title expta. So expected title dot okay equals dot equals. You can write what? Actual title. TACT actual title. So if expected title equals to actual title, what is my test case here? Pass here. Okay, that's why I can write the condition. System dot out dot println test pass. Okay. So here test pass. Otherwise what else? Else test fail. Okay. I can write like this one. System dot, okay, out dot, sorry, system dot out dot, okay, println what here test is fail. In this situation test is fail. Says. Okay, now save the file and run it. What is the output now? We can check this one. So first browser launcher, after that Google page is launched and my title is matched with that one or not. So test case is passed or not. Title of the page is what? Google. So title of the page is Google. And next test case is for why test case is passed. Actually my expected title is Google. And my actual title is also Google. So both are matching. That's why test case is pass here. Okay. So if you can write like this, you can write this like what if you use the double equal to. If you use double equal to, so what is the action here? So save the file and again run it. Okay. So I can close this one and again I can run this one. Okay. See here. Here also again browser is launched, but test case is failed in this situation. Okay. Why means this method is not performing accurate. Okay. That's why you can write what dot equals to method. Okay. So better to give dot equals to. So it is what titles are matching. Better to give dot equals to. If titles are not matching, so you can give what double equal to. Okay. So next. So if you maximize the window, okay. If you maximize the window, why maximize the window? Maximize is also one method of. So maximize what? Okay. Next one. Switch to. See here manage. We can use manage. So manage is also one web interface method. So that's why we can write what? See this one in these situations. Okay. In these situations, you can write see here. So after opening the title of the page Google, you can write what? Driver dot manage dot. Okay. So window dot. Okay, I can apply what? Maximize option. Okay. See here, it will be maximized or not. We can check this. So write this condition and run it. Okay. Browser is managed or not. This is also maximized. Okay. Test key is also possible. Okay. So it is used for why you are using maximize window. So it is window first to manage. So first of all, we can manage that one. So next, what we can manage? Actually, window we can manage. That's why after we can maximize the window. Okay. Used for what? Maximizing the window. Run the code and show the output. So next, get current URL. So you will get the get current URL. Okay. So it is you can get or not. We can check that one. Okay. So first of all, you can get the current URL or not. Okay. So that's why I can erase this the title of the code page. Okay. See this one. I can remove all these things. Okay. See, I can remove this one. So next. Title of the page complete. Next, get current URL. So driver dot, can write what? Driver dot get current URL or not? Okay, see this one. So get current URL returns what? It is returns one string. So that's why you can write string string string. Okay, ACT. You can write like this. Okay, I can execute this one. See here, system dot out dot printr. Can execute this one. So this is what ACT is my name. Okay. So see here, I can save the file and run it. Okay. Executed. See this one. What is the title of the page? Actually, this is my URL. I can get the URL or not? I can get the URL also. Okay. Okay, URL will be displayed in the console or not? Next. This is what? This is my URL. So I can write like this one. See this one. I can copy this one and get title method I can put into comments. Okay, see here. And next, string act actual URL. This is my actual URL. Okay, so now I can expect it. See, sir, this is my actual URL. I can write what actual URL. Actual URL is plus act URL. This is my actual URL. Okay. So next, what my expected URL is there. So my exp URL equal to, okay, this is what string is. So that's why I can write within the double quotes. Okay. See this one. The condition is what? If, okay, expected, okay, if exp URL dot, okay, exp dot URL dot equals to, okay, equals to actual, sorry, here it displays actual. So I can write what first here actual title. Okay, act URL equals to expected URL in these situations. So system.out.println site is secure. Okay, I can write like this one. System.out.println. So in site is secure in these situations. Okay. So same like else statement. Site is not secure. Okay. So system.out.println in this situation site is not secure. Okay. I can write like this. Okay. So now save the file and run it. So what is the output now? You can check this time. So browser launched, browser maximized. Okay. See here. Site is not secure. Okay. Why site is not secure? Actually, you cannot use like this equals. Okay. So in these situations, we can write what? act URL. Okay. act URL dot contains. Okay. You can write like this. Okay. Dot URL contains. You can write the first page of string. Okay. So see here, I can write what? HTTPS. Okay. I can write like this. If my actual URL, okay, matched with this HTTPS, site is secure. This actual URL not matched with this HTTPS, site is not secure. Why means, why HTTPS means? Actually, HTTPS is a secured. Okay, only HTTP means it is not secure, but S is added. So that's why it is very secure. Okay, so now save the file and check this one. Site is safe or not, we can check here. Okay, so run the file. So first browser launched and after that browser is maximized. Both are completed. So next site is secure or not? Yes. This is my actual URL. It is matched with the, so my expected URL is matched with the actual URL. So site is secure here. So my expected URL is not matched with the actual URL. Site is not secure here. Okay. This is also completed. So next you will get what page is a page source. Okay. So if you get the page source, so see here, I can remove all this code. Okay. I can put get URL into formats and I can remove this one. So I can remove the code. So I can get what page source. Okay. Driver dot get page source. Okay. This is my get page source. See here, get page source returns what? It is also returns one string. So that's why I can write string string page source equal to this one. So I can execute like this. So system dot out dot println. Okay. In that what write like yes. Okay. See here. Now save the file and execute this one. It is loading. So first browser launcher after maximize window completed. This is my page source. Okay. See here. So many page source. Page source will be displaying in the console or not? Yes, it will be displayed in the console. So next navigation topic. So I can use navigations. See here. So first what? Launching the browsers. I can launching three browsers. Okay, three different ways to use this one. Okay. So driver dot get Next, driver.navigate to. Okay, I can write what first. I can use Google, and after see this one, I can put into comment. See here, next driver dot navigate. Okay, navigation method navigate dot to. So which actually this contains one string. So my string is one. I can use another browser. So my browser name is IRCTC homepage. Okay, see here. It will be opened or not IRCTC portal. So actually this is not my page. IRCTC HTTPS dot www sorry HTTPS colon double slash IRCTC www dot IRCTC okay dot co dot in slash okay get slash train search is my URL. This one it is opened or not? Okay, so okay, I can copy this URL, Control C. Okay, I can put into another code string this one. Okay, so first my window is what? So first I can launch the browser Google window. So it is navigate to next what? IRCTC window. Okay, so Google window to IRCTC window. Okay, so next you can write another window also. Okay, you can write another window also. See this one, what will happen? You can check this one. So next window what? www.https sorry https colon double slash nopcommerce.com. Okay, www.nopcommerce.com. Okay, sorry, this is what demo.nopcommerce.com. https I can copy this site, okay, and paste it into comments. Okay, so next see this one. So URL is there. URL, okay, URL my URL equal to new what here? New URL. Okay, you can write the string here. Okay, so next is system dot out dot println. Okay, so in this case we can print what? My URL we can print it. Okay, so see this one, URL is showing error or not? Okay, so import URL here, strike mark is there. Okay, so better to don't use this one. Okay, so better to don't use this one. So it is asking what? Add close declaration. I can write. Okay, so now save the file and run it. What is the output now? You can check here. So first Chrome window opened and after IRCTC window opened. Okay, and again what? Sorry, here navigate method is not used. Sorry, this output is wrong. Yeah, I can close this one. So it is navigate. That's why you cannot write like this. Okay, so navigate means driver dot navigate. So navigate to another window. Navigate dot to which URL as well to my URL. Okay, I can write here my URL. Okay, so see here. Check the output now. Okay, now save the file and run it. Okay, first Chrome window launched and after IRCTC launched and no commerce also launched. Three windows launched very fast. Okay, three applications are launching or not? Chrome, Google, IRCTC, no commerce. These three applications are launched. So what is the difference between get and navigate? Actually, get what we need to pass only string URL to launch the applications. But if you use the navigate to method, Okay, we can launch the application. There are two different ways. First one is what by passing string URL and by creating URL object. Okay, so see this one. First of all, by passing what string URL, this like this. By passing string URL like this. Okay, by creating object means you can use like this. Okay, there are two ways to navigate. Okay, by passing string URL and by creating object URL. Okay, creating the object also. This is possible. Next, in here, forward and backward switching with the help of navigation commands. Both are possible. Forward and backward switching both are possible. Okay, so what is the synchronization in Selenium? Actually, Selenium is running fastly and application is running slowly. So I am an automation tester. I can control the Selenium with the waiting statements. Okay, so please I can write what thread.sleep method and implicitly wait method and explicitly wait method. You can use those three wait statements to control the Selenium. Okay, so capturing the console. Okay, if you raise the wait statement, so right, you can write the wait statement. Okay, so better to use, don't use this one by creating objects. So that's why I can remove what. So I can remove this one, and here also import URL also I can remove this one, and the throws declaration also I can remove. Okay. I can import, I can remove the import statement also. Okay, it is removed or not? So remove it. So next see here, I can say write what implicitly wait statement. Okay, see this one. After driver dot, see this one, driver dot, okay, manage dot, driver dot, manage dot, timeout, timeout dot, implicitly wait. Okay, in the here we can write what duration dot of seconds here. Okay, so how many seconds I can write? 10 seconds. Okay, so now we can check the see the example. It is launching, it is navigate or not. Okay, so see some first browser launched, Chrome, Google launched, and after Google launched, IRCTC will be launched. Okay, so code is complete. Okay, so next see I can remove all this one. Why means you can confuse it. That's why. So window option waiting statements also closed. This is my first browser window. So first one is around what driver dot implicitly wait. So driver dot navigate to and driver dot navigate to and driver dot so true windows. See here one example is there. So first I can write this one. Okay. See here. I can erase this code. Driver dot code. Okay. Put into comments. Okay. First of all, put into comments here. I can write maximize also. We can put into comments. Okay. So why means it is using some another fixed rate. This is first part. This is my first driver wait statement is there and navigate to statement is there. Next we can launch another one. No commerce.com. I can copy this one. Okay. Next driver dot navigate to see here. I can driver dot navigate dot to. Okay. So what is my string here? I can paste this one. Okay, within double quotes. Okay, there are two browsers or not navigation methods. Okay, so again after a second browser, again navigate to back. Okay, and after this one, driver dot navigate dot. I can write what back statement. Okay, next you can get what actually after that we can get current URL of the page and current URL. I can capture that one. So system dot out dot println. So we can write what here a driver dot get current URL. So I can return this one. Okay. So after again driver dot forward navigate dot forward. Okay. So again what we can get the save URL. Okay. See here. And after refresh it. Control C, Control V. Okay. Next driver dot navigate dot refresh. See, it is working or not. Now we can see this one. So save the file and run it. So first IRCTC page will be opened. Okay, and after no commerce page will be opened. So click on OK. I can click here. Okay, it is navigate to demo page and again back and again. Okay, again forward is completed. Next what? Refresh is also completed. Okay, see here. The title of the first page what? Title of the first page is IRCTC that will be displayed, and title of the second page is what? Nopecommerce.com that is also displayed in the console or not. Okay, you can apply the thread.sleep method here. Okay, it is running very slowly. So first in this case, this example, first navigate my method to IRCTC page, and after that what? Nopecommerce page. Okay, and then again back to which page? IRCTC page. Okay, and display the IRCTC URL. Okay, and again move forward to which page? Nopecommerce page. Okay, and display the Nopecommerce site. Okay, in that Nopecommerce site, refresh is completed. This is my code. Okay, so why are you using thread dot method means? So why are you using thread dot method means? See here, in this example, thread dot sleep is what? Thread dot sleep is used for explanation purpose only. It is never used in real time. Okay, so now every statement moves slowly here. Every statement is moved slowly here. Why means it is mandatory to wait 5 minutes. Strictly wait time means that is called as a thread dot sleep method. In real time, we cannot use that thread dot sleep method. Okay. So close is there. So why close is true and why window handles? So first of all, we can discuss about window handles. Okay. We can discuss about window handles. See here, nopecommerce.com is there and get window handle. Okay. I can close all this code. Okay. I can close all this code. See here. I can remove the code. And here also implicitly wait statement also I can remove. Okay. So driver.google and maximize all this one I can remove. I have to see also. Okay, this is my browser here. So first get window handle. So get window handle means it is we can handle the also. First, what is the definition of the get window handle? We can see this. So get window handle means what? It returns some string. Okay. So switch between two different tabs. Okay. Switch between different windows or tabs are open during a test. So get window handles means what? We will discuss that one. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss about get window handles. See here I can write what? Driver dot get window handle. Okay. So get window handle method returns what? String here. That's why I can write one string. String I can write X. Here I can write X. Okay. Next we can print that string. So that's why system dot out dot print here and print error. So what is the string name? X here. So see here, it will be working or not. So save the file. Okay, and run it. So first nopecommerce browser will be launched. Okay, and see this one. This is the get window handle string. Okay, so window ID. This is what? Window ID in the form of string format. This is what? This is a window ID in the form of string format. Okay, so you can use get window handles. So see that one. So first what? Only one window you can handle, that is called as a get window handle. So you can use more than one window, that is what? Window handles. Okay, so first we can launch the application parent window, and the second what? We can launch the application child window. Okay, both we can launch it. So here we can use what? Collection concept in Java. So we are using here collection concept in Java. So actually single window means each string. Okay, single window returns what? String. So get one or more windows, you can return what? It returns a set of strings. So if you can use get window handles, it is asking set of strings. Okay, it is asking set of strings. So see here, I can show one example of set of strings. Okay, So see this one and try. So actually, this is not a browser. Why means it is only launching for purpose. Okay, you can use w3cschools.com. Okay, so what is the browser name? https colon double slash. Okay, so www.w3schools.com. Okay, so see here, I can launch this browser. So you can try it yourself is there. Okay, so see here, first I will navigate to this page. Okay, control C. So in the code, I will navigate to which page? I will navigate to driver dot window. Okay, the w3schools.com page. See here. Okay, and next identify the element. Okay, driver. So that's why I can remove this code. So driver dot find. Okay, can use what? Find elements. First find the element. I can write this one by dot link test. Okay, so what is the link test here? Link test is a string, so that's why we can link to another test. So the what is the test here? Try yourself is the test. Okay, so open link in new tab. Okay, try it yourself is there or not. So how I can copy this one? See here, I can inspect the element here. uh, I will inspect. Sorry. Okay, try it. I can copy the test here. Okay. Okay, I can copy this test. Okay. Now see my example. This test, this test. Okay, find element by the link by test here. Okay, so we can use what? Driver dot window handles. Driver dot get. Sorry, driver dot get window handles. Vindo window handles. I can use this one. So get window handles returns what? It returns set of strings. See here. It returns what? Set of strings. That's why we can write set and string string. I can write set of string. So here we can store into one variable. This is my variable. So set means we can import the statement first. Okay, I can import set here. Okay, after we can print that one. System dot out dot printl and println. We can print what fits here. Okay, that is my variable name. So see here, save the file, object name, and run it. So first W3C page opened. After that, it is linked to try yourself page or not. See here. So what is the output? String only displayed. So find elements is not linked here. Actually, here we can apply click option here. Sorry. Dot click. So if you not click, why it is open? Okay. So see this one. Save the file and run it. So first what? So this see this one. First I can launch one browser, Chrome browser, and after I can launch one application. Okay, w3school.com. In that school.com, we can click on try it yourself. Okay. After clicking this one, so next the two strings it is a link to another one, another page. Okay, it is working or not? We can check here. Okay, try yourself page will be new tab will be opened. So see here, two strings will be displayed. First one is what? First one is the parent window, and second one is what? Child window. So first one is parent window and second one is child window. Okay, so this is like difficult to extract this set. Okay, this is the difficult to extract the set. So now windows. Okay, we will get windows IDs. We will get windows IDs. So in the form of what? So windows IDs we will get in the form of set. Okay, if you want to switch to windows IDs, if you want to switch to windows, you want what? Get method here. So actually, if you want to connect, convert set into list. So first of all, we will convert a set in this like set form into list format. Okay, and we can access the Windows IDs. Okay, if you Windows IDs are available in the set format, see this one. These Windows are available in which format? These Windows are available in set format. It is difficult to access. That's why we can convert this set into list. Okay, so get method is not applicable directly to set. Okay, so that's why going to purpose. Now we can convert set into list, and then we can apply what get here. So directly apply get into set is not possible. So get method is available into list interface, not in set interface. Have you understood? So driver is completed. Navigate this is completed, and click that one page is also completed, and the next get window handle is also completed, and the system this one. So you will convert this set into string. Okay, set into list. So that's why we can write what list. List is also string. Okay, list is also string. Okay, we can write on a variable name like window. Okay, list. I can write like this list. Okay, new, we can use what here? Array list. Okay, I can what? Array list. Okay, an array list. Widths is what? Widths is here. See this one. Array list I can import first. So import array list and import list here first. I can import list also, array list also. See this one. So this is what array list. I can convert a set into. I can convert a set into list. Okay, we can write like this. So driver dot. Here we can write what? Driver dot. Driver dot switched here. Okay, we can use switch to dot window. Okay, window, my window side is, we can write what? Window, sorry, window side is called list, list, list dot get one. So first of all, get what? My index number is 1 here. Okay, and the same like driver dot switch to this one. I can write the driver dot switch to my index number is 0. So next I can print the title system dot out dot println, and the driver dot what we can get the driver dot get title. So I can return this one. Okay. Now save the file and execute. Running, and it is also loading. Something error is, see here. Wait. Coding is not completed. Okay. So this is the title. Okay, this is the title. Online web tutorials. This is my title. This is which editor? Online web tutorials is my parent window. So W3C school editor is my child window. See this one. Actually, you can also use the get title in here. Okay, see this one. I can apply get title in parent window also. Okay, I can write in a child window actually. See this one. Control C. I can apply here also. Okay, if you get the both titles. Okay, I can close this one. I can close this one. This is also previous one. It's closed it. So now save the file and run it. So both titles will be executed. First, which title will be executed? First, parent title will be executed. After that, child title will be executed. Okay. So link is connection between opened. So after here, Windows test try it editor, and after that, Windows online web tutorials page. Both will be executed. Wait. It is loading. Okay. So complete the series one. So try it editor is my child window, and W3C web tutorials is my parent window. So both will be executed or not. Okay. This is window handle and window handles. And next driver dot close methods we will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you. So wait. So please wait. Again, next one. Okay, next one will be I can discuss. Okay. So first, see this one. This is my application, and after you can try it yourself. Okay, you can click on that one, find element by link test, and next what set of strings. Set of string means we can. This is like a set of string. Okay, it is not directly accessible. Why means it is difficult to access that one. So that way we can convert set into list. Okay, we can convert set into list, and after that we can apply get method. Okay, so set convert into list, the list string list equal to new array list. Okay, we can link with the sets, that is called as what widths here. So after that what we can driver dot switch to. Okay, next after converting to list we can switch to which. Okay, we can switch to the get method. Okay, next after that same like this one. So first the two strings are, first one is a parent and second one is what child window IDs. So these window IDs we can convert into list. Okay, after that we can switch into get method. So this is the process of get window and get window handles. So you can apply the, okay, you can apply the close methods. So you can apply close method what driver dot close. You can apply parent window. Okay, series one. You can close the driver dot close series one driver dot. You can apply what here close. Okay, so close method means, so what is the difference between close and quit? Okay, what is the difference between close and quit? I can apply this one into parent method. See this one. I can copy this code, Control X. Okay, and paste it into, see here. After title of the page, we can paste it here. Okay, see this one. So next here we can apply what driver dot quit method. Okay, driver dot quit quit. Okay, so what is the difference between driver dot close and driver dot quit? So close means close the current URL. Okay, close the current browser and current browser window or tab. So it is closing only current browser window or current browsing tab. So it is closing all the windows and tabs. So both different means this is terminate the WebDriver session. This is terminate the WebDriver sessions. So now we can check that example. So it is working or not. Okay, save the file and run it. Okay, so open w3schools.com and next click on that one, and after that click on that one, it is loading and it is what close the window or not, it is closing or not, we can check that one. So after w3c is tried enter is completed, so again it is closed, and after that closing all windows, see here. Okay, closed or not, completed. So first close method is closing the current browser or tab. Okay, and the driver.quit method closing all the browser windows and tabs. Okay, so both are working correctly. Okay, so if you see the one small example, I can write. Okay, so I can remove all the code. Okay, I can remove all the code. See this one. I can remove all the code. Okay, so first what? See this one. I can remove import statement also. Okay, this is normal class. So first one string is there. My string is what? Browser. So I can, my string is browser, browser equal to. So my browser name is Chrome here. Chrome. My browser name is what? Chrome here. Okay. So we can apply WebDriver driver here. You can declare it as what? Globally. Okay. This one. So WebDriver and become sorry WebDriver. Okay. WebDriver driver. And next, in this case, first what I can apply one condition. So browser dot equals ignore case. Okay. Equals ignore case. Okay. Equals dot ignore case. See here. It is matched with Chrome. Chrome matched with Chrome. Chrome browser will be executed. Okay. So driver dot. So browser dot equals ignore case. Okay. Equals ignore case returns what? One string boolean. Okay. So see this one. So driver dot driver equal to DRI, we are driver equal to what? New Chrome driver. I can write like this: CHROME Chrome DRIVER. New Chrome driver. I can write like this. Okay. So else if else if we can write another one. So browser dot okay equals ignore case. In this case, we can write what? Edge browser. Edge browser. Okay. C is one driver dot driver equal to new which driver? Edge driver. VRI edge driver. Okay. So next else. Okay. So else which driver will be executed? Else driver equal to new Firefox DRIVR driver. C is one. It is working or not? We can check here. So actually it is not imported. That's why something error is there. So we can write import statements here. I can write import statements is one. Import org dot openqa dot selenium dot okay edge dot okay edge driver edge driver. Okay, I can write import statement like this. Add cache to WebDriver now with me. Okay, there is something mistake is there. So else if this is correct. So WebDriver driver ఇది కరెక్టే క్రోమ్ మరి ఇది ఎందుకు ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది sorry I can sorry I can remove this one please wait I can remove this one okay so it's showing see here okay I can add I can write like this and it is also I can like this this one edge driver cannot be resolved type why cannot add this one okay. Actually, you can write the import statements, it's working. So wait, same code I can execute in another class. Please wait. Control X. Okay. I can write Z. Okay. I can write this code into here. So please see this one. Okay. I can remove these packages. Okay. And the Chrome driver also I can implement is there. And WebDriver I can remove this WebDriver also. Okay, and these three methods I can remove. Okay, and next this WebDriver also I can remove. Okay, so next control we see here. This is asking WebDriver. So import WebDriver here. Okay, and the Chrome driver also it is also change driver to Chrome driver. Change Chrome driver to compatible. Same like statement to Firefox and the WebDriver. You can write Firefox and WebDriver. So actually control Z, control Z first. On mistake if so okay. This topic we will discuss in next class. Thank you.